Welcome to Ukrainian Style Dolls. Let's look further and walk together. Today the road leads us to the Ukrainian Eastern Carpathians, to Ivano-Frankivsk region. The indescribable beauty of this area is sung in songs and depicted in works of art. The Carpathians is a favorite vacation spot of Ukrainians. For many years, these spectacular places attract lovers of active, healthy recreation from many countries. The Carpathians are the highest mountains in Ukraine. This is a place where Hutsuls live. There are ice waterfalls and picturesque alpine villages there. This Hutsul girl is from such village. She is dressed in the traditional costume of a mountaineer. The girl's hair is braided and decorated with a ribbon. On the head are three traditional Carpathian silinkas. Silinka is an ornament made of woven beads. My doll has got a modern decoration with rhinestones. She's dressed in a shirt embroidered with multicolored threads in a geometric pattern according to the Hutsul tradition. There are 5 main colors here: brown, orange, yellow, red and green. The special brown skirt is called openka. This is a local name of this accessory in this area. Just look at this belt of excellent work girded around the waist. Embroidered with the same geometric pattern, it is a true piece of art. Hutsuls, both men and women, wore waistcoats. The weather in the mountains changes rapidly. It's always great to have some clothes that keep you warm. Such a waistcoat called keptar. It's very popular today. The art of making those clothes is fascinating. Keptar is made of sheepskin. It is decorated with embroidery and applique. Festive options include decoration with precious stones and metal. A lot of tourists purchase those waistcoats while shopping in the Frankivsk region. I decided to name my doll Nastunya. That was the name of her famous countrywoman who is remembered in the chronicles by the name of Gurem. According to the legend, 5 centuries ago, she was forcibly taken to the Ottoman Empire and sold at the slave market. Due to her strength of will, intelligence and beauty, she became the wife of Sultan Suleiman the Great, bringing the long years of prosperity to the empire. The extraordinary figure of this woman has been inspiring artists to create masterpieces for 5 centuries. My Nastunya grew up in the village high up in the mountains, where shepherds have been grazing sheep for hundreds of years. This is a main business up there, especially today, when everything that nature itself gives to man acquires the highest value. Sheep's milk is used to make cheese, both according to traditional recipes and with new original flavors, with the addition of Carpathian herbs, mushrooms and honey. This cheese is increasingly found in new connoisseurs from different countries. Hutsul women are known for special blankets they make. The product made of sheep's wool is called lizhnik. This is really a piece of art. In addition to aesthetic pleasure, a warm lizhnik has excellent healing properties, relieves pain in joints and muscles. Let's imagine that my Nastunya is improving her skills in making such blankets as well. That's why we'll give her a small lizhnik. Now I would like you to watch the next step in the creation of the doll. Today we will make the basis for the head. Ivano-Frankivsk region is a land of artists. In the town of Kolomyia, there is a very interesting museum of Easter eggs. Built in the shape of a huge Easter egg, it is known all over the world. In the museum, you can see unique, ancient Easter eggs, not only from Ukraine, but also from the United States, Canada, Czechia, France, India, China, Egypt, and many other countries. It's impossible to even list all the wonderful places of Ivano-Frankivsk region. Be sure to visit there. And the woman from Vinnytsia is already waiting for us. Next week, we will visit wonderful banks of South Bug River. Goodbye.